Hi there, my name is Brittany King, designer and dressmaker for Thredora gowns. I'm sure you've seen those jaw-dropping, well-constructed gowns on the red carpet. They seem impossible to make, right? Or maybe you have a pattern already that just seems too time-consuming to make on a full scale, and you want an easier, more affordable way to learn. If this sounds like you, I've got the answer, the Primadonna half-scale dressmaking course. This course is a step-by-step walkthrough of a true-to-scale miniature dress. With a printable PDF pattern, material list, and fabric layout guide, you'll be sewing up a storm in no time. And the best part is, you won't just be making any gown. You will be learning to create one of my own designs, the Primadonna, from start to finish. In this half-scale version, you will learn techniques such as a sweetheart neckline, underlining, interlining, and a foundation bodice, draped side skirt panels with pleats, boning, subtle bust shaping using horsehair braid, sewn hem with attached lining, an invisible zipper, and more. Skill levels of all types will learn something new from sewing the Primadonna half-scale evening gown. I've listed some basic sewing tools and notions in the course description below. Remember, every small step leads to some progress. All you have to do is start. Thank you for joining me, and let's get sewing.